Unit 2. Extra Activities. Track 14. Listen and answer the questions. Write short answers.
And your name is?
Huda.
Hello, Huda. Now, what's the matter?
I've got a stomachache.
A stomachache? How long have you had it?
Since yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning? That's a long time. Why didn't you come and see me earlier?
I hoped it would go away.
I see. What did you eat the night before last?
Lamb and rice with a salad.
That's all right then. Now, where exactly does it hurt? Which part of your stomach?
It hurts all over.
Not in one particular place?
No, all over.
Well, it's not appendicitis then. I'll give you some medicine. Take it 3 times a day. If the pain doesn't go away, come and see me again tomorrow and we'll do some tests. All right?
Yes, doctor. Thank you.